Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Achek Holistic Awakening Movement kabalong kaway na giseng bahalang kabatray na kabanta kabhakamiat jong karilom garo kaladawa na kasorkar jila bakan ayno da kajing menjur na kabantaban penlong ayno yaki riti kidustur jong kejaj menrio garo haka jingi keren bat gilat patay kubor haka shipo terik ulber arjar arpo u president jong Achek Holistic Awakening Movement u champion ar sangma ulayatu baka seng kalalik pensngo yakini gijing dawa hakmat u menteri rangba kajila u Konrad K Sangma kat kum gajing itu jong uniu nongilam jong gani kaseng nakaliang jong menteri rangba ula kularu ba unsara yagani gajing dawa hakmat ka kunhun menteri nakabenta ban yathir yatai sani shuaban shim yagano gano garai.
The first one is immediate cabinet approval of Garo customary law, codified and passed by GSDG for governor's consents. Then, second one, winter assembly sessions in Tura, completions of governor guest house, communications and connectivity of Garo Hills regions, then widening of the link roads in and around Tura town, 4 lanes connecting district quarter of Garo Hills. Then fourth one, inner land permit. Then third on sports and youth affairs, constructions of stadium with international standard in Garo Hills. Then constructions of indoor stadium. Then demand for setting of academy for different disciplines of sports at Tula. Then creations and upgradations of developments unit. The first one is Dalu block to civil subdivisions, upgradations of Darengri subdivision to district, upgradations of Rongjeng block to civil subdivision, and fourth one creations of mandatory CRDC block, and third one tourism. Then installations of cable cars, hot air balloons, building of glass bridge in Garo region. And education, setting up engineering college, IT college, and agricultural college in Garo Hills. Then to 11th one, coal-related issue. 12th, demand to set up food inspector office along full laboratory equipment. Then demand for organic certifications of both agricultural and horticultural produce in Garo Hills. Then streamlining of Garo Hills district councils and its affairs. Policy formulations for regulations of finance and administrative rules. Then single window operations for deposit and withdrawal. Streamlining of financial powers, responsibility and accountability, and financial procedures. Policy on revenue leakage, establishments of audit cell, digital on or online transactions, good governance and financial transparency. Policy formulations on administrations. These are the cadre of demands that we submitted before our honorable chief ministers, and we had discussions with the leader of oppositions also, and that outcome was very much positive. That would I would say. Codifications means that tradition spaces everything we collected and codified in one form, in one method. So it's nothing new. For the past 10, 15 years, these NGOs are struggling for this codification of law. But from different quarters, it has been objected. So it could not be passed in the last assembly. Now this bill is still in the law department. They sent it back to the district council for reconsiderations, and now after considering all these marriage and demerits, we send it back to the law department. Now it is there in the law department, still pending for the consent of governor, not yet sent to the governor. Mainly, points which we mentioned here have already been taken up, and they provided some informations giving us assurance that this will take place soon.
Session means MLA is legislative has taken a resolution and they submitted to the Indian government, and they are looking on this one issues. They are doing some surveys on issues and they are doing examining on the issues. That I cannot say whether the government is serious or not, but since they are since we are trying to we are asking for implementations of ILP. So whatever the government is doing, I think they might do in the public interest. With that, we cannot say that whether the Chief Minister is interested or not. But yes, we can say that since our demand is genuine, so hope we get the implemented ILP in the state of Meghalaya.